Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Kindle app on iPad, instant fix step by step clearly. Open the Kindle app on your iPad. Navigate to the device's home screen. Swipe down from the top right corner to access the control center. Look for the airplane mode icon. Tap on the airplane mode icon to enable it. Close the control center. Press and hold the power button until the slide to power off option appears. Slide to power off your iPad completely. Wait for about 30 seconds. Press and hold the power button again until the Apple logo appears. Once the iPad restarts, locate the Kindle app and open it. Check if the app is functioning properly. If issues persist, return to the home screen. Locate the Settings app and open it. Scroll down to find the Kindle app in the list. Tap on the Kindle option. Choose Delete app to remove it from your device. Confirm the deletion when prompted. After it's uninstalled, open the App Store. Search for the Kindle app. Tap on the download icon to reinstall. Wait for the installation to complete. Open the Kindle app once it's reinstalled. Sign in with your Amazon account to access your books. Your Kindle app should be reset and working smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.